Here we're going to multiply these radicals. When you're multiplying radicals, you first want to multiply the coefficients. So the square root of 8 doesn't have a coefficient, so we just assume there's just one square root of 8. So when I multiply 1 times 3, I get 3. And then you want to multiply the square roots. So 8 and 2, I'm going to put them both under the same square root symbol. So now I'm going to look to see if I can simplify it. That's why I left it as 8 times 2, because I'm just going to break this down some more so I can see what the factors are. 8 is the same as 4 times 2, and then I still have my 2. And then 4 is the same as 2 times 2, and then you have these 2's as well. So 3 square root of 8 times 2 is the same as 3 square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now you want to look at it and see if you can simplify, if you can bring anything out from under the square root symbol. So square root is asking, what is being squared? Well, I'm squaring 2 here, and I'm squaring 2 here. So there's nothing left under the square root symbol, but outside I have a 3 times 2 times 2. So the answer is 12. Let's look at the one on the right. Let's multiply the coefficients. 5 times 3 is 15. Now let's multiply what's underneath the square root. So 20 times 15, I'm just going to leave it as 20 times 15 because again, I'm going to break those down into smaller factors. And then we have x times x. So if I look at 20, 20 is the same as 4 times 5. And 4 is the same as 2 times 2. And then you have your 5. And then 15 is the same as 3 times 5. So I'm just going to bring these all down so they're in the same kind of row. You want to be sure you don't lose anything along the way. And then you have your 15 out front. So now, when I look at all those little factors inside the square root symbol, you're asking yourself, what is being squared? So I see here, 2 is being squared. So I'm going to bring that out. X is being squared. So I'm going to bring that out. And then here's 1 5, and here's another 5. So 5 is being squared. So the only thing left under the square root symbol is 1 3. You have to have 2 of them to bring it out. But outside of the square root symbol is 5 times 2 times 15 times x. So this would be your answer.